Hey there, welcome back. So ready to ditch those boring textbooks and dive into history in a way that'll blow your mind? Well, buckle up because we are taking you on a roller coaster ride through the craziest moments that made America what it is today. And trust me, this history is anything but ordinary. But wait, don't go anywhere. To get the most out of this journey, I've got a challenge for you. We're going to drop some pop culture references throughout the twists and turns of American history. Can you spot them all? How about a friendly reminder to show your support if you're loving this adventure so far? Now, let's get started. Alright, history buffs and trivia titans, put your thinking caps on because it's time to test your knowledge. We dropped some serious pop culture references throughout our wild ride through American history. How many did you catch? Did you know the name game? Share your score in the comments. Let's see who the true trivia champs are. And hey, if you didn't get them all, no worries. It's just another excuse to rewatch, relearn, and join in on the fun. This history is all about embracing the unexpected, just like America's journey to becoming a global superpower. So keep those brain cells active, stay curious, and keep on learning. Who knows, you might just be the next history superstar. Act 1. The Discovery, a new world to explore. America's story doesn't start with the United States. It starts with discovery. Back in the 1400s, when everyone was chilling in Europe, some explorers got bored of the same old, and decided to sail off into the vast unknown. They were looking for new routes to spice up their lives, but instead they stumbled upon an entire continent that was completely new to Europeans. You know, the one we call the United States today. Talk about an unexpected twist. But these brave souls weren't the first humans to set foot on this land. Native Americans had been living there for thousands of years, thriving in a way of life that was as diverse as the landscapes they inhabited. But when Europeans arrived, everything changed. Imagine showing up to your home one day and finding a bunch of strangers with different languages, customs, and ideas about the world. It must have been overwhelming and pretty scary. And just like any good adventure story, there were plenty of plot twists along the way. As more Europeans showed up, claiming the land for their countries and setting up shop, it became a tangled web of competing interests, cultural clashes, and power struggles. Not exactly the picture-perfect history we might read about in those old-school textbooks. Act 2. Revolution and Rebellion, breaking free. Fast forward to the 1700s. The area now known as the 13 Colonies had had enough of British rule. They'd been dealing with unfair taxes, strict laws, and a general feeling of not having a say in how they were being governed. Things were so bad that they couldn't even brew their own tea without the British East India Company breathing down their necks. Yep, you heard that right. No tea for you. Tensions were high and tempers were flaring, which led to a full-blown revolution. The American Revolution, my friends, was not your average fight for independence. It was a showdown between a ragtag group of colonists and the most powerful empire in the world. I mean, talk about David versus Goliath. But against all odds, the colonists won. They created a new government that was based on the idea of freedom and democracy. And in 1776, they declared their independence with a document that shook the world, the Declaration of Independence. Imagine signing your name on a document that says, "We are done with King George and His Royal Highness." That's the kind of bold move that changes history. Act 3. Growing pains. Now let's fast forward to the 1800s. The United States was on the rise, expanding westward and facing a bunch of new challenges. It was like a teenager going through puberty, but for a country. As the US grew, it encountered all sorts of conflicts with Native American tribes, debates over slavery and economic systems that were constantly changing. It was a time of both progress and pain, kind of like when you get your braces and your teeth are all wanky for a while. But eventually you come out of it with a smile that's worth showing off. Throughout these decades, the United States added new states to the Union, battled foreign powers, and grappled with the question of slavery. It was a period of immense growth and change, setting the stage for the challenges and triumphs that lay ahead. Act 4. The Civil War, the battle for freedom. In the 1860s, the United States was torn apart by a conflict that tested the very foundations of the nation, the Civil War. The country was literally split in two, with the northern and southern states forming opposing teams. At the heart of this showdown was the burning question of slavery. While the southern states relied heavily on enslaved labor to fuel their economy, the North was increasingly seeing it as a moral abomination. As tensions reached a boiling point, brother fought against brother in a battle to decide the fate of the nation. Led by iconic figures like Abraham Lincoln, the Union ultimately triumphed, ending slavery and preserving the United States. But the scars of this war ran deep, shaping the nation's identity for generations to come. Act 5. Industrial powerhouse, innovation and expansion. The late 1800s and early 1900s witnessed an incredible transformation in American history, the Industrial Revolution. It was like watching a caterpillar morph into a beautiful butterfly, except instead of a caterpillar, it was factories and machines, and instead of a butterfly, it was a major economic shift. During this time, America experienced unprecedented growth and innovation. Factories churned out goods, railroads expanded across the country, and new inventions like the telephone and electricity seemed to appear out of thin air. It was an era of progress and prosperity. However, this industrial boom came with its own set of challenges, including a widening gap between the rich and poor and harsh working conditions. Despite the hardships, America continued to attract immigrants from all over the globe who dreamed of a better life in the land of opportunity. And let's face it, who doesn't love a good rags-to-riches story? Act 6. The 20th century. Wars, rights and revolution. The 20th century was a wild ride for America. The United States played a pivotal role in both World War I and World War II, emerging as a global superpower in the process. But the real revolutions happened back home. The civil rights movement fought for equality and an end to racial segregation, while the women's rights movement pushed for gender equality and shattered glass ceilings. It was a time of immense social change, paving the way for a more inclusive and equitable society. Then came the space race with the Soviet Union, and America's desire to beat its rival to the moon culminated in a giant leap for mankind in 1969, when Neil Armstrong became the first human to walk on the lunar surface. Talk about a monumental achievement. Throughout the century, the United States faced numerous challenges, including the Great Depression, the Cold War, and the rise of new global powers. Yet it remained a beacon of freedom and innovation, leaving an indelible mark on the world stage. Act 7. The modern era. Tech, politics, and change. Today, the United States finds itself in a new chapter of history, navigating the complexities of the modern world. The internet boom and the rise of tech giants like Google and Apple have transformed the way we live, work, and interact. But this digital revolution has also brought about new challenges, such as privacy concerns and the widening gap between the tech-savvy and those left behind. Meanwhile, the political landscape continues to evolve with shifting alliances and the rise of populism challenging the status quo. On the global stage, the United States grapples with its role in an increasingly multipolar world as new powers emerge and traditional alliances are tested. Climate change and environmental degradation pose a growing threat, demanding urgent attention and collective action. Despite these challenges, the United States remains a symbol of freedom, opportunity, and innovation. As it navigates the complexities of the modern era, one thing is clear: America's history is still being written, and the future holds both promise and peril. All right, history buffs, it's time to wrap up our whirlwind tour through American history. What do you think? Were you shocked, surprised, or maybe just plain confused by some of the crazy moments we covered? I mean, who knew history could be so darn unpredictable? As we've journeyed through time, we've witnessed the ups, the downs, and the downright bizarre moments that have shaped the United States into the nation it is today. From the discovery of the New World to the rise of industrialization, from the Civil War to the digital age, each era has been a testament to the resilience, ingenuity, and sheer determination of the American people. But now, it's your turn to join the conversation. What surprised you the most about America's history? Which moment made you say, "I didn't know that"? Was it the Revolution, the Civil War, or maybe the rise of the US as a global superpower? Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Let's keep this history conversation going. And hey, if you've enjoyed our journey through American history, don't forget to show your support. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and above all, keep questioning, because history is not just about memorizing dates and names. It's about understanding the forces that have shaped our world and continue to do so every single day. Stay curious, my friends, because history is full of surprises.